Hello YouTube, this is Bitstream here bringing you another cryptocurrency focused video about profit trailer. Thank you for joining me today. Let's see if we can give everybody an update on my 1 minute strategy, how that's been working out lately, the goods and the bads and the things that have changed, and just some general updating about what's going on. What I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to try to break up my videos so that they're not quite so long, hopefully, because I can get a little bit long-winded, and I don't want my videos to be like hours long each time because I'm trying to pack so much into them. So I'm going to try to break them up based on the subject so that we can, people that want to listen to one thing and not another can go to the appropriate video. So for this particular video, the first thing that I'm going to do is just talk about my results with the bot as of the last week since the market has been down again, what kind of results I've seen, and some changes that I've made. And then I'll kind of briefly just show some of the new tools that I'm using, and then I'll go ahead and end the video, and then I'll do a separate video talking more, going more in depth with that particular tool. Then I'll do a yet another video talking about where I see the markets going and what the charts are telling me and everything like that. So for this video, you can see right on the screen where we are with the bot right now. The market is kind of tanking on us at the moment. So even with that, we still have some respectable gain. It's only midday right now, and we're already at 0.3% gain on the day. So that's pretty good in a tanking market, I'd say. The market has deteriorated since the morning, so it wasn't as red as it is now, but we did get some sales off this morning, and that is with me holding a good bit of bags from the last tank down. And yesterday was a really good day, I would say. We got over 1% yesterday. The bot was doing its thing, and we've had a respectable week overall. So I'd say that's okay. Right now we've got all of my pairs locked in right now, so I'm only running 11 pairs right now, and they're all kind of spoken for, and they're mostly in bags at the moment. Actually, we just got a sale, but mostly in bags for the most part. All of this down here is leftover from the last kind of tank down that we had. These up here are all from like today, so these are all pretty fresh. But yeah, these you can even see the dates. So all of this down here is old stuff. I'm kind of toying with the idea of implementing a stop loss. It's not that pertinent right now because some of the old bags have cleared out. Like I had like 9 that were like in DCA 3 and 4, but now we're only down to like 5 of them. So they are clearing out at their own pace. So it's not like an urgent thing, but I also don't want to get here where it's just kind of, it gets down and then stays down, which seems to be the case once it starts getting down here. I did turn off DCAs after level 3, so I'm not allowing anything to DCA down there right now because I just haven't decided if I'm going to do my stop loss or not, or whether I'm going to allow it to DCA and eat up some balance and try to get out that way. I'm still deciding what I want to do there, but you see this is not bad at all. So this is, within the realm of reason. So that's pretty good. And our possible buy log just opened up, but right now we're still in sell only mode anyway, just because the market is tanking, or has tanked. So I have my global settings. Once Bitcoin is down 6%, it goes into sell only mode until it recovers to only down 4%. but you can see some of the signals that we're getting and the triggers that we're getting. Oh my God, look at Nano, Jesus. I have Nano kind of set in permanent sell only mode right now because number one, the news that came out with the hack, um, and then number two, the spike after the hack was another pump that I just didn't want to be involved in. So I just kind of stay away from Nano right now. It's way too crazy for me. Um, and I'll probably be putting some other coins on sell only mode, like some of the bags that I've been stuck in, except for Cardano. But some of the other stuff, probably be throwing that to sell only mode and take those as lessons learned. But other than that, you can see some of the signals that we're getting. And this can be a little bit skewed because I did implement PT Magic. So it's changing my settings based on market conditions. And one of my settings is my candle time period. So when the market's tanking, I wanted the bot to take a longer view, a longer chart view back to take its buy signals. So that's also probably why you're seeing such deep signals right now, because I think I have it set to like a 15-minute chart when the market's really tanking down, because I don't want to get false signals on a 1-minute chart when the whole market is kind of going red. So I think it's safer when the market's tanking to do a longer chart time period. So that's probably why you're seeing some of these signals the way they are. But it doesn't matter because it's in sell only mode anyway. So I'm kind of protected from that, from getting some of these trades in the wrong spot anyway. So that's that. Let's take a look at our sales log and see what kind of sales that we're getting. If it'll load up. Yeah, so we've got some pretty good sales going on. I think most of these are from, most of these are from today. Actually, all of these are from today. This whole line is from today. So we got about 2 bags that cleared, but most of it is just in and out stuff. Some of them, like this particular coin, INS, I showed a picture in the Discord as I was talking to somebody. The bot bought and sold this one within a minute. So I screenshotted that in the Discord. That was kind of cool. So I do like it when the bot trades like that. It's very rewarding to get those quick hits. So it does do that sometimes, and it doesn't really pick up unless it's a very bad market. It doesn't really pick up that many bags. And now when I got PT Magic installed, it's picking up even less. So before, the only kind of protection I had from that is just setting the sell only mode when Bitcoin drops by 6%. But now I've got PT Magic in there. I haven't really picked up any new major bags yet. Now I've only had it installed for a few days, so don't take that as the gospel. But and it also we haven't gone through a market like we did last weekend yet. But so far I haven't really picked up any major bags, as you saw just a minute ago. They're all clearing out, and I haven't really accumulated any new ones. I think that it's helping me avoid some of the garbage market conditions that otherwise I probably would have got caught in. And that's just kind of like my preliminary feeling. So, but yeah, we're getting around 1%. There's some trades that are like around 0.5% because I've got it set to sell except a lower profit level if the market's red. So some of the sells might be like 0.5%, and then I've also got it set to accept a higher profit level and the market is going up. So that's pretty interesting, and I'll go more in depth than that in the actual video that I do about that. But that's where my results are with the bot so far lately. So I'm very happy with that. Happy with the way things going. I'm happy with the 1-minute EMA gain. My settings for that are now posted in the Discord. So those of you that want to access to those settings. I posted the whole file up. They do have some PT Magic settings, or Lord, my computer. They do have some PT Magic wording in them that's commented out, but those are my default settings anyway, so you can kind of just ignore that. That's the settings that I would use if I wasn't using PT Magic at all. But every time PT Magic goes and rewrites your settings, it leaves, a comment that it overrode it or whatever. So, but yeah, those are my default settings that are loaded up. They're not the most organized looking, but they work for me. So you can do what you want with them. And yeah, so that's our update as far as Profit Trailer. I'm going to go ahead and cut the video off here, and I will show everybody PT Magic and what I'm doing with that in the next video. All right, so Bitstream out. Hope everybody has a great day.